Hey there. It's been a little while. I've put together this four-wheel drive unit from 1984, the Yokomo, I believe it is. But it was in pieces, and I had to rebuild it, put in new shocks and stuff my way. Can't get them online. Anyway, this is what it's looking like. I think you can see the difference in the suspension that I put up. The shocks are now on top. The battery's, of course, a custom battery. Get in my own shadow here. Not a professional. Put in some shocks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this camera right about here without the body so I can test the suspension and take it out and run it and see how it's working. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to take it and turn it around and put it on the other side. Oh, that's not going to work. I can't see the rear suspension. See, that's too far away. That's too close. That'll have to work. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. Just like that. So we'll talk to you in a bit.